Hey Donna, big up yourself. I just come across your video where you were talking about ungrateful Jamaican people. Let me tell you something. I am not going back to Jamaica. There's so many places in this world that I could go to, but I am from Jamaica and I am not going back there. Because guess what? I don't have no friends there and I don't have no family. And I am done with these people. They are so ungrateful that it sick my stomach. Did you know that I have sent things over the years to my family and they have no remorse. They have no understanding. It's not like I have it, but every time when I send things, they are not grateful. They sit behind my back and talk things about me and I hear them back. I am so annoyed and sick of these people. I am done with them. I give up. I try my best and it don't work. So it's time to cut my losses and just leave. I am not going back there. Wow. 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 Mercy. What can go so? People are foreign tired, you know? Then tired. I want to deal with them more time. Mm. I watch a couple of videos over the years on social still, you know. And me not telling no lie. I have seen a couple barrel flirt around on the internet where people send go to Jamaica go give. And I think if they really send them something there, you shouldn't do it. You shouldn't do it. If you send them something there, shoes where the bottom are drop off. You know, say when me just come off foreign, me send three of my shoes when me carry up from Jamaica, go down, go give me auntie. When me just come up here, in the first year, me that send one barrel and me put them in a one scanner bag and tell me auntie say me I ask her. I Jarrett, shoes them that Jarrett, you know. We carry them go a shoemaker for me and get them fixed. Cause me love the shoes them and through my foot big, it hard for me find shoes. Cause at lunchtime me wear. Yeah, I joke on a lunchtime, but you know they far from me. My foot fat, me have my father foot. So my foot fat. And I tell her, I say, I want her to fix them. I don't even remember what did happen if she did fix them and send them back to me. So till me just start go PLS go buy shoes. A PLS shoes me used to wear. Cause I that me could afford when me just come a foreign. Don't care. Yeah. But me got to and what them name? Naturalizer. Some naturalizer wedge shoes me did buy from me did Jamaica on 6 p.m. On website name 6 p.m. them sell strong shoes. So I used to buy my kids them school shoes for naturalize pan 6 p.m. I may buy them three pair of red heel there. I think it was a khaki, a red, and a black. Yes, we did have them three wedge heel shoes there. I used to love them. My God, they make me look nice. They make my foot look neat and nice. And send them in a one scandal bag down in the barrel. Put them in the barrel. Never put them down in the barrel. Put them on the top of the barrel. And tell her, say, me put them there. Me a beg her. If you carry them, go get them fixed. Me come in and no shoemaker up here. I want them. So in time somebody will come up. If me come down or what. I don't remember if I did get back the shoes them or my auntie did fix them. Maybe she dashed them. Me no remember what happened. That was a couple of years ago. Maybe we'd have to reach out to her and ask her. But I have seen a couple barrels where people go down in and if people really send them something there Jamaica with shoes up above and in the barrel them and some of the things they look so dirty. Oh God, man, you don't do that, man. Better not send it, man. Donate them. But you see a lot of people who do that when it come on to tin soup, something like tin can soup. You can't send certain things where Jamaica go give people. Can soup, all clothes and all shoes were dirty and look stained up like me understand say the mindset they still in you. That poverty, poor mindset. Me nah say if you wear something one or two times or and it look good same way, you can't put in a barrel and sell it. Don't get me wrong, because people can wear them in the yard. But when you see this color clothes in a barrel, bad color clothes, this color, whole shoes, dirty, and bent up whole sneakers. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that at all. Me nah say if you wear a sneakers and it look good. Cause my daughter them, when them give me shoes, they look like they just a come off of the shelf. Clean, clean, nice shoes. And when me I talk about some of the shoes, them expensive, $3, $4, $500 sneakers, $700 sneakers, them buy. And them wear them and give me them, send them go Jamaica go give away. Them buy, them use them money, them want them money and then that they use it, they used to use it to buy clothes and boots. Kind of calm down. Right now, me have much in things down there. When me look at that, I give me, say she don't want them. Me I go through them and see what they have to go down here, because sometimes just carry them got goodwill here, but drop them off. Give them a goodwill. And sometimes what them do with them. Not for them something there, sometimes you find them in a thrift store. People wear all left in a thrift store. So when you give them clothes, give them you don't places here your clothes. Then take them up and go press them out and put them in a thrift store and sell them back to people. Yeah. Sometimes when me listen to people and say they go to thrift store go buy clothes, I've never go to thrift store and buy clothes yet. Because the people wear all left. Better me go buy, go on JC Penny or Macy, go on clearance, go find some $10 stuff and say at least me get it. No, but me nah go on go thrift store go buy no clothes. Sorry, nah do it. Where I left, me don't know who did it. So anyways, um what was the topic about? Forget. The barrel. She feel away. She feel away and some family can make you really feel like you work so hard here and you try to help them and then don't grateful. I've been through some of it too. I've been through some of it, but sometimes you just have to level up and change your mindset. You have to just level up sometime and change your mindset. But then not take me from God yard, I don't them me born and grow. And if God forbid me have to go back down there, I don't them me come from. So me not gonna make them tap me. Me not gonna make them tap me. Sometimes you just have to cut off some of your family and your friends them here because them not care. They not care about you. They not care say you have bills to pay. All them do is think about themselves and care about themselves and they know. Here say you have your own responsibility. And it's sad. That's the sad part of it. You know, care say you have your own responsibility. All them care about you sending a thing come get them. We used to live at Jamaica. I never used to have nobody a foreign. Who me used to live on? Myself. Until when my husband come up here before me. Him then we never married. And seem they ask him if me used to turn trouble to him. No. And when me not have food, you don't know. Me not telling me everything. Me not do that. Me no do that. Me no take it per man. Me no bother people. Me no beg and borrow. No, me prefer borrow than beg. Me no like beg. Cause me feisty. Me wrinkle like boag. Wrinkle me you can't find. I mean, no nobody take no liberty for me. So me not turn trouble to people and bother people and beg people nothing. Me ma too feisty. Too feisty. I mean that seriously. But me feel her pain. She done. She said she done. You know, I done. Sorry, I don't know where me come from. And as much as I'm frustrated sometimes with how them a analyze people down there, I'm frustrated. But I'm a country and I love it. You know? I'm proud to be a Jamaican, even though sometimes, they make me so disappointed because a lot of this comes from jealousy and bad mind and them now level up and them just a drag down the youth them in a yo. Why me I tell you, thank God me have my one boy pitney. And when he used to want go road, 10 story now one. When he used to want go road go play football with the boys them and then something, them tell him no, I'm not going out there. You're not going out there. Because me no know what them little boy there go boy there go tell you. And little from this you stop listen to me and want to go do what them tell you to do. So never used to make him go there go play. And now when he get big in tell me say when me used to direct he used to hide and go play football. When he come from school, but I not for long. By the time he know say me I come, then reach home and bathe. Hey, then confess on something, you see. Me there I say, me my opinion them no fight growing up. So till my friend for year one of them I say, oh, Samantha say, Shana can say, oh, me have some fight already. And she tell me about the fight. And me there I say, my opinion them no fight. Cause they never make me know. But me I speak when me know of. Me never see them fight. They never used to fight. They no fight, they never fight in front of me. So me have speak about when me know. So my friend, when me hear my daughter say, oh, me have some fight already. I'm like, what? What? And people are gonna say, which pitney no fight? For me, them never used to fight in front of me. I'm there with them most time. No, they no fight. So here she has said she fight. She has Samantha fight already there. Maybe one time or maybe up because of one time she make me know. But the rest of them they no fight. They're the two big one fight. She that tell me about the fight. I remember what she said. Guys, me couldn't believe it. We just keep it in my head, say me never see them fight. But now that she tell me say she has some fight already, yeah, me can't tell her no, yeah. People fed up, Good people. Some of them are good people fed up because they know the pain and them are feel the suffering from them family. Yeah. Level up on the mindset, man, and just know say people they are fine and if them stretch their hand and give nothing, they don't have to. You don't have to just know say you don't have to fetch pound on one. Yeah, fetch pound on one. If people have it can go now then we go now. If they don't have it, they don't have it. And be grateful, appreciate it, tell them thanks. That they no must go now. And that's you don't must go now. But you don't feel like people obligated and own or something. You're not obligated to nobody. When hungry used to bust me and my four picking a shot when I did there. I don't obligate it to a soul. I never used to go at people I go sit down at wanga, I look food. None of that. Never used to do that. If me hungry and me have somebody who can borrow this, there's this lady, one person in Jamaica. I have two friends at Jamaica. I have Karen and Christine. I have more friends, but me I talk about the ones them that was closer to me, you know. And those two person and them still communicate today. But I've never like say me I go at them house, go sit down and wait for them pot and them feed me and them something. No, no. Karen used to be there for me more. Where like if me have to run go on the road, she would have normally sometimes come watch me kids them for me or so. Or check up on them. Cause them was pretty much big or my father girlfriend but did live there at the time. But yeah, and then Christine now was the person now where if me not have no money, I she me run to fi borrow money. Not too good for me though for she. Nothing. So sometimes me like to give her a little surprise, here and there. Big up yourself, Christine. I know you not watch this video because you're so busy. But Christine and Karen, enough blessings, don't know. But everybody else never used to turn no trouble to nobody. Nobody can come here so come say, oh, she used to this and she used to that at Jamaica. Nobody can. Hey, me telling you now, my rank and fist, nobody can know nothing over me. Nobody know nothing over me. No, if people come out come say this, that, lies, lie. If Christine come and say, yeah, me used to borrow that, she used to borrow my money, I used to tired of she, then me understand. But no, she never act like she tired of me. Sometimes she asks me, you have lunch money tomorrow for them pitney? Yeah. Sometimes she asks me, you have lunch money tomorrow for them pitney? I'm saying, I don't want to borrow no more money from you, man. She's in this myself, but where y'all go do? Yeah, I forgot school. Yeah, I'm a girl that. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Package after package, no stop drop off, yeah. Anyways, my dad, big up on yourself. More blessings and prosperity. Please remember to hit that like button if you want to reach this far. You notice I'm a video, me I get very comfortable sit down here so I gossip with you know. And I tell you the whole of my business. And that you know why you're not true. And remember, I feel like the video for me. Um, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for your loyal support. God bless you. Know. Bye bye.